NOTAM, also known as Notice to Airmen, includes information such as runway or taxiway closures, obstructions, or airspace restrictions. Unlike METAR and TAF, NOTAM is not aimed at meteorological conditions. The NOTAM information looks like this. 06/216 tells us the NOTAM sequential number is 216 and has been issued in June. OBST crane shows us there's an obstruction, a construction crane in this case. The next part is the unique reference code for tracking. Then come the location coordinates, which tell us that the latitude and longitude of the crane's position is 37 degrees, 38 minutes, 17 seconds north, and 122 degrees, 23 minutes, 28 seconds west. The following part tells us that the crane is 1.4 nautical miles north by northwest of the airport. The next code informs about the height of the crane, which is 169 feet mean sea level and 160 feet above ground level. Flagged and LGTD mean that the crane is flagged and has lighting for visibility. Class DOM tells us that the NOTAM is domestic, which applies to domestic flights. The next NOTAM informs us about the same crane. The difference is the classification, as the second NOTAM is international, which applies to international and domestic flights too.